Ever felt like your mind is a storm of thoughts, worries, and fears that you can't control? In our fast-paced world, anxiety has become a common companion for many, casting a shadow over daily routines and personal aspirations. It's a whirlwind of tension, unease, and apprehension that can leave you feeling helpless and lost. It's important to understand that you're not alone. Millions around the globe grapple with anxiety, making it one of the most prevalent mental health issues today. But despite its widespread impact, the good news is that there are effective ways to manage it. One such powerful and accessible tool is journaling. This simple practice of putting pen to paper can help you express and process your emotions, track your triggers, and identify patterns that fuel your anxiety. It's a personal, reflective journey that offers a beacon of light in the storm. If you're ready to navigate through this storm, let's embark on the journey of journaling for anxiety relief. Ever wondered how a simple pen and paper can help you confront your anxiety? Well, the answer lies in the empowering practice of journaling. This seemingly ordinary act of writing can serve as a mighty tool for improving mental health. Let's delve into it. Journaling is more than just recording your thoughts. It's a process that allows you to express your emotions freely, without judgment or fear. Scribbling down your feelings helps to offload them from your mind, providing a sense of relief and clarity. Now imagine having a track record of your own triggers and patterns related to anxiety. By noting down what triggers your anxiety and how you react, you can identify patterns in your behavior. This self-awareness is a stepping stone towards managing your anxiety effectively. And guess what? All this power resides in your pen and the blank pages of your notebook. The power to manage your anxiety can be as close as your nearest notebook. Starting a journal for anxiety relief doesn't require a master's degree in literature. It's about expressing your thoughts and feelings openly, without judgment or criticism. Firstly, let's talk about choosing a journal. The journal you choose is important. It should be something that feels personal to you. It could be a beautiful leather-bound book or a simple spiral notebook. It could be digital too, like an app on your phone or a document on your computer. The choice is entirely yours. What matters most is that it's a space where you feel comfortable expressing yourself. Next, creating a writing schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to journaling. Whether it's every morning with your cup of coffee or every night before you go to bed, choose a time that works for you and stick to it. Even if it's just for 10 minutes a day, making journaling a routine can help it become a comforting daily ritual. Now let's discuss setting up a comfortable writing environment. This space should be somewhere you can relax and focus on your writing. Maybe it's your favorite chair, bathed in natural light, or perhaps it's a cozy corner of your bedroom. It could even be a quiet spot in your local park. Wherever it is, make sure it's a place where you can be alone with your thoughts. Once you have your journal, your schedule, and your space, it's time to start writing. Don't worry about grammar or spelling or even making sense. Just write whatever comes to mind. If you're feeling anxious, write about it. If you're feeling calm, write about that too. Your journal is a place to explore your emotions, not a place for polished prose. Remember, your journal is your personal space. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's about creating a safe space for self-expression and self-discovery. A place where you can let go of your anxieties and find a sense of calm. So pick up your pen, open your journal, and let your journey to anxiety relief begin. Now that you've set up your journal, let's explore some techniques to make the most of it. First up, we have free writing. This technique is all about letting your thoughts flow freely onto the page. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation, just write. Picture your mind as a river and your thoughts as the water. Let them flow. Let them cascade onto the page. This can help to relieve the pressure of pent-up thoughts and feelings, acting as a release valve for your anxiety. Next, we have gratitude journaling. This involves writing down things that you're grateful for each day. They can be big or small, from a good meal you had to a loved one's smile, or even just the feel of the sun on your face. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can shift your mindset away from anxiety and towards appreciation. It's about finding the silver linings, the small moments of joy in every day. Then, there's mood tracking. This technique involves noting down your emotions and feelings throughout the day. You could use a simple scale from 1 to 10 or use descriptive words to capture your emotions. The key is to be consistent. Over time, this can help you identify patterns and triggers for your anxiety. You might discover that certain situations, people, or even times of the day have a significant impact on your mood. With this knowledge, you can take steps to manage these triggers more effectively. Finally, always remember that your journal is a safe space. There's no judgment here. It's a place for you to express yourself honestly and openly. If you're feeling anxious, write it down. If you're feeling overwhelmed, write it down. Your journal is there to listen, to hold space for your thoughts and feelings. Each of these techniques has its own benefits, and they can be used individually or in combination. It's about finding what works best for you. So take some time to experiment, to play around with these techniques. Experiment with these techniques and find what works best for you. We've navigated through the basics of journaling for anxiety relief. We've journeyed together through the landscape of anxiety, understanding its power and presence. We've explored the transformative power of journaling, a tool that can help us express and process our emotions, track triggers, and identify patterns that may contribute to our anxiety. We've given you the starting points for your own journaling practice, offering guidance on how to begin, what to write about, and how to make it a part of your routine. We've also shared techniques specifically designed to use journaling as a means to alleviate anxiety, from free writing to gratitude entries and tracking your triggers. All these insights are now in your hands, ready to be put into practice. The power of writing is in its simplicity. It's just you, your thoughts, and the pen. Remember, managing anxiety is a journey, not a destination. Every word you write is a step towards a calmer mind. So pick up that pen and start your journey today.